Okay, so SCM, meaning source control manager, always show actions. Controls whether inline actions are always visible in the source control view. And this is the source control view, right? So actually, I find that hiding visual cues by default is really annoying. And this is one of the things that I think it should be set to true by default. So let me show you what always shows actions is. It actually pertains to these buttons right here, right? So if you set this to true, those buttons will always be visible. If you make changes to the repository, it's just easier to see, it's better to see those buttons than to just see them if you hover over them. So I think this makes for a much better user experience, so I'm going to leave this one set to true.